I am lucky to be able to work with recruitment, retention, and recognition for our current registered nurses and our future registered nurses. So I get to do a lot of different really fun things. I'll go to recruitment events to represent the hospital, explain to students and potential candidates what Crouse is all about and what we offer to them. On the retention side, I get to do stay interviews to learn about why people love it here at Crouse and why they want to stay, and really try to build relationships with as many of the nurses as I possibly can to make sure that they are happy here, that they're satisfied with their jobs, that they're able to provide the very best inpatient care that they can. My favorite part of my job is being able to do the recognition side of it. So I'm our Daisy Award coordinator, and I get all of the nominations for the nurses, all the stories that patients tell, and reading those and really truly understanding the difference that the nurses make, and then being able to bring that to them and show that to them. Nursing is such a hard job, and so being able to reflect some of their work back to them in appreciation and recognition is so meaningful. There's lots of different ways for Crouse nurses to grow their career here, whether it's individual kind of things where they're going for like certification, or they're just taking continuing education classes, or they're really looking to contribute to the hospital in a different way. So if they want to go into a different role, we have a lot of people that come in and they go maybe first to 5 South, which is a post-operative floor. Then they want to explore intensive care, so they'll go into the ICU and build their career that way. You can also go back to school. So we have a tuition reimbursement program where you can go and get your bachelor's degree, you can get your master's degree, and then you can try something different in that way as well. So you can be a nurse practitioner, you can go be a nurse anesthetist. So there's so many different opportunities. We do also have a program here called the Professional Nursing Pathway. That's our clinical ladder program for nurses. So when they go and they do those different professional development activities, we want to make sure that we recognize and reward them for that. So they're able to build their career and build up from an RN1 all the way up to an RN4, and we get to recognize them for all the amazing things that they're doing. I tell students, when we're out trying to recruit at a fair, or even for our students, the big reason that people like it here at Crouse is the other people. It's such a supportive learning environment. Everybody brings unique contributions to patient care, and it's really fun to work in a place where you can go out and walk the halls and people are going to say hi to you, they're going to ask you how you're doing. People really do care about each other here, and I think that's a big difference that we have here at Crouse, having worked at other hospitals. So explaining that to them and letting them know this is not only a place where you can provide the best inpatient care, you can get to know your coworkers, you'll be in a supportive learning environment, and so it really just is going to help propel your entire career.